Hello YouTube, today is the 4th of November and that makes it day 4 of Movember. Not doing too badly at the moment, but I don't think I'm going to be able to grow much more than a reasonable goatee, but however. So at the moment I've decided to raise €100, hopefully more, but anyone who donates €5 or more gets to choose a colour, and I'll put a streak of it in my hair for as long as the colour will last. So far I have two colours. I have blue and pink. So if you want to see any more colours, please donate to the MoSpace. My link is down below. And we'll see what other colours I can get. Today is also going to be an about me video. I'm 22, living in Dublin. I like adventure sports. I'll do pretty much anything that'll get my heart going. Rock climbing, sailing, windsurfing, anything really. I like Chinese food. I've always wanted to go to Australia. That's pretty much, it's the adventure capital of the world. But in saying that, Ireland is very good for adventure sports as well. There's a great book, I think it's 30 Irish Adventures or something along those lines. I'll find out and I'll put a link in my next video or in the comment box below on this one. So if you're ever into coming in around Ireland, that's where to go. That's about it. If you want to know anything else, let me know. I'm going to try and get my camera working again and get a better day, get a better light, because frankly I think I look like death. But if you think otherwise, please let me know. If you have any other suggestions on a video to make, or topics and things like that you want to know about, let me know and I'll put them up. Okay? Again, rate, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Slán.